How to fix emergency calls only issues on your iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're facing the frustrating emergency calls only issue on your iPhone, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk you through some quick fixes to get your phone back to normal. So, let's dive right in. First, let's understand what this emergency calls only message means. It usually indicates that your iPhone is unable to connect to your carrier's network, often due to SIM card issues or network settings. First thing first, you need to check your SIM card. Make sure it's properly inserted. To do this, power off your iPhone and use a SIM card eject tool to remove the SIM tray and then reinsert the SIM card. Power your phone back on and see if the issue persists. If that does not work, try toggling airplane mode. Swipe down from the top right corner until you access the control center. Then you need to tap on airplane mode icon. Then, after some times, wait for a few seconds, then you can turn it off again. This can help you reset your network connections. Still having trouble? Let's restart your network settings. You need to go to your settings app, then once you're in your settings, you need to scroll down and then you need to tap on General. Once you're in General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. And once you have done that, you need to tap on Reset and from here select Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind, this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords, so be ready to reconnect. Lastly, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. In order to check that, you need to go back and once you're in General, you need to tap on Software Update. Then, once you have done that, if there is an update available, download and install it. And there you have it. Those are some quick fixes for the emergency call only issues on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.